She's too sweet to do it.
Let's see if she does it. Come on, Nora. Wrap your hands around your dad's hand. Oh, she's getting closer.
Come on. Do your little trick.
No one will believe us. Oh, oh. Show them how you're ready for baptism. Oh, come on. Almost there. She's so asleep. Nora, come on.
Where's that precious baby?
We're trying to get her to do her little baptism pose.
She looks too sleepy.
She's she's still. Is that her tummy?
No, it's fine.
Oh, okay. Brian had some really spicy food tonight.
Come on, do it. Do your little trick. Do your little trick.
Maybe you need a. She's starting to look annoyed. Lay her down and let her be by herself for a second. Maybe she'll wake up. Let me get her face so you can-
Usually solitary confinement always wakes her up, but she seems too content.
You've got a full tummy, huh? I'm sorry I'm shaking this so much. My arms are so tired. Okay,
Okay. Back.
let's at least get a big burp out. She's in her milk coma.
Come on. Big burp. Let's have it. Let's have at it.
That's a big one.
That's a good one.
That was you, not her. That doesn't count.
Yeah. Okay, Grandma.
You done burping?
Yep. Can we outsource?
Come on, Nora, do your trick.
That's a good burp.
Man, they never do when you have the camera on.
Never.
Come on, Nora. Do your trick. Closer. Oh. She totally asleep.
She's ready for round 3.
Ready for round 3?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Should I stop recording then?